Welcome back. Today I have a Big XHOSA. Big XHOSA is doing Maskandi right now. He's killing Umaskandi. You know, Big XHOSA is so talented. He can do a rock music right now, and you never believe it. He can do a piano song or three-step song. Big XHOSA is doing Maskandi, even gospel. But let's not waste any time. Let's check the music. Ethi yawucenga ngubani? Yacinga nguNyoko. Let's go. By the way, I'm not a fan of Maskandi, but since Big XHOSA is Maskandi, I think I'm a fan of Maskandi right now. Oh, Big XHOSA. Big XHOSA never change. It's coming even nakumaskande. No Big XHOSA. Give Big XHOSA into lucky, guys. Nah. I feel Big XHOSA. I think even this guy Mafikizolo. We asked about our Big XHOSA ibulele. Nangu ungayijoin comments yakhe, go to Big XHOSA TikTok and see Mafikizolo about uthi our Big XHOSA is doing too much. Maybe uzomfaka remix. You don't know. But let's rewind. Big XHOSA uthini? Bane beyazi baye rap ingangenelela lapho, like Big XHOSA kuthethwa nge-critical thinker ngimfaka Big XHOSA. No, he's a gem right now. Make sure you do subscribe and let me know who can I check next. A talented one. We are out.